Are you ready to take your Facebook game to the next level and start earning big? In this video, I'll reveal the secrets to unlocking a lucrative income on Facebook. 1. Create and sell your own products or services. Leverage Facebook's large audience to promote and sell products or services that you create, such as crafts, artwork, consulting services, or digital products like e-books or online courses. 2. Become a social media influencer. Build a following and establish credibility in a specific niche by regularly posting valuable content. Once you have a significant following, brands may approach you for sponsored posts or collaborations, providing you with an opportunity to earn money through brand partnerships. 3. Offer freelance services. Utilize your skills, such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, to offer freelance services through Facebook. Join relevant groups or create a page to market your services and attract potential clients. 4. Monetize your Facebook page. Once your Facebook page has a substantial following, you can monetize it through various means. For example, you can earn through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by leveraging Facebook's in-stream ads feature. 5. Launch a Facebook group or community. Create a niche-focused Facebook group or community, and once it gains traction, you can offer premium membership or charge for exclusive content and access. Engaging and providing value to your community members will be crucial for success. 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other businesses and earn a commission on each sale. Find relevant affiliate programs or networks and join. Then share affiliate links on your Facebook page, groups, or posts to drive conversions. 7. Sell physical products through Facebook Marketplace. Utilize Facebook Marketplace to sell physical products, whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, collectibles, or any other goods. Be sure to take appealing photos and write descriptive listings to attract potential buyers. 8. Create and sell digital products or templates. Craft digital products like templates, printables, designs, or stock photos, and sell them on Facebook. You can create a dedicated page for your products or use Facebook groups to reach your target audience. 9. Offer social media marketing services. Leverage your expertise in social media marketing and assist businesses in managing their social media presence. Create a portfolio and case studies to showcase your capabilities, and use Facebook to network and find potential clients. 10. Participate in Facebook ad campaigns. If you have skills in digital marketing, particularly in running Facebook ads, you can offer your services to businesses looking to improve their advertising campaigns. Help them optimize their targeting, messaging, and ad placement to increase their return on investment, ROI. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks.